The 3 countries with the highest Jewish population. Number 3. France. France has the largest Jewish community in Europe with around 450,000 Jews. Their presence in France dates back to ancient. The French Jewish community has played a pivotal role in the country's cultural, scientific, and artistic development, seamlessly integrating into French society. Number 2. The U.S. Boasting a Jewish community of roughly 5.7 million people, the U.S. is home to the second largest Jewish population in the world. From New York to Los Angeles, American Jews have made significant marks influencing everything from the arts to politics and technological advancements. Before revealing the number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1. Israel. Israel, with a Jewish population of 6.3 million. Israel isn't just the home to the world's largest Jewish community. It's the Jewish nation itself. The re-emergence of Israel as a Jewish state in 1948 was a historic milestone, and since then its Jewish population has steadily grown.